Do you want to know about the Kershaw Bel Air knife? This is the new Kershaw. We're talking made in the United States with premium materials, including CPM Magna Cut blade, aluminum scales with the Cerakote finish. One of the nicest things about this Kershaw is not only the fact that it's made in the United States, but it also has the patented Benchmade axis folding lock, which no longer falls underneath a patent, and you're starting to see major knife companies utilize this style of a locking mechanism. They also put special ball bearings inside of the stud that holds the blade into place in the handle, and it allows it for extremely easy deployment. I'm right-handed, you're seeing that, but check this out. I could even do it with my left hand as well. Very easy to operate ambidextrously, even if you're not ambidextrous. Beautiful, beautiful finish. This is a black, like satin, distressed finish, so that if you use the knife the way that it's supposed to be used, it's not gonna show cuts or abrasions. And then also I have to say that the Cerakote that they put onto the handle actually feels really, really good. And I look forward to using this for many, many years, especially with this Magna Cut blade. It's got probably like a 1/8 inch finish or depth or width. I don't know what to call that, but it's a nice knife. I mean, that thing's knife. That thing's knife. I actually could shave with it. I did that last night, as you can see. Now, there's no hair on my wrist. I look a little funny, but anyways, I would say if you're looking for a medium price range pocket knife that's gonna last you for a lot of years, it's made with great materials, give the Kershaw Bel Air a look. And I'll post the link below on where you can find this knife. I think it's currently on sale. And I will say I'm kind of a Benchmade whore. What? I love Benchmade knives, I always have. But now that I'm starting to see this axis lock become available from other knife companies, I'm gonna start opening up my eyes and horizons to other brands like this Kershaw, especially if they're gonna be made 100% in the USA and come with a really nice limited warranty. So yeah, till next time, peace.